explore the joyful spirit of the season as people around the world come together to celebrate on the 25th of December, which is celebrated as Happy Christmas Day every year across the world with utmost fun and enthusiasm. Read on to learn the history of Christmas, its significance, and the celebration of the day. The most significant holiday for Christians worldwide is Christmas, which is observed in remembrance of the birth of Jesus Christ, whom they see as the Son of God. People celebrate Happy Christmas Day 2024 with their family, friends, and other relatives with joy and affection. There are many traditions and interpretations of the festival and what is celebrated. The term Christmas comes from the Mass of Christ, or Jesus, a Mass service, also called communion or Eucharist sometimes, where Jesus died for his people and returned to life. This is why the Christ Mass is the only service that took place after dusk, i.e. sunset, and before sunrise the next day, so people had it at midnight. This is the way we got the name Christ Mass, which is Christmas. How to make Christmas decorations out of paper step by step. What is Christmas Day? A long time ago, in a world filled with beliefs and customs, there was a special day that echoed through history. It was Christmas, a celebration filled with love, marking the birth of Jesus Christ, a respected leader in Christianity. Every year, people from all around the world who follow Christianity gather to honor this important day, remembering the miraculous event of Jesus being born. Christmas wasn't just about religion, it became a worldwide celebration, bringing joy and goodwill to everyone and weaving itself into the cultural traditions of different nations. Origin of Christmas Day. Why is 25th December Christmas Day on each year? Most people think it is celebrated as the birth date of Jesus Christ, but no one knows the real birth date of Jesus. The Bible has no date regarding the birth of Jesus. The early Christians had many arguments regarding the birth of Jesus. The first recorded date of celebrating Christmas in the Roman Church was on 25th December in 336 AD. During the time of Roman Emperor Constantine, he was the first Christian Roman emperor who had adopted Christianity as the effective religion of the empire. This was when Christmas started, and people started following the new religion. Later in 529 AD, Pope Julius I declared Happy Christmas Day a civic holiday and announced the date of 25th December to be the date to celebrate Jesus Christ's birth. However, there are many different traditions and arguments towards the background of 25th December Christmas Day. According to a primitive Christian tradition, the day when Mary was informed that she would give birth to a special child, Jesus, called the Annunciation, was on 25th March. The Roman Christian historian Sextus Julius Africanus estimated Jesus' conception to this date, which, after 9 months, is 25th December. Hence, the day is celebrated as Happy Christmas Day. However, 25th March was also the day some early Christians believed the world was created and even the date Jesus died when he was an adult. 25th December also marked the celebration of winter solstice and the popular Roma festival called the Saturnalia. Winter solstice is considered the darkest day of the year, where there is a short time gap between the sun rising and the sun setting that takes place on 21st December or 22nd in the northern hemisphere. The pre-Christians pagans celebrate this midwinter festival to commemorate the sun winning over the darkness of winter. They lit bonfires and candles to keep the darkness away. In Scandinavian and Northern Europe, the winter solstice is known as Yule. In Eastern Europe, it is known as Koleda, while in Iranian Persian culture, the day is known as Yalda night or Shabichele. People come together to eat, drink and recite poetry. Saturnalia, the Roman festival, was celebrated between December 17th and 23rd. Saturn, their deity of agriculture, is honored on this day. They celebrated the birth of Mitra, their sun god, on 25th December. So, when was Christmas Day first celebrated? It was in Rome on 25th December, AD 336, by Roman Emperor Constantine, a festive countdown, the 12 days of Christmas. In a magical holiday time, the 12 days of Christmas kicked off, spreading joy and tradition from 25th December to 5th January. Each day brought a unique gift, like partridges in pear trees, shiny golden rings, and lords who loved to dance. Families joyfully followed this festive countdown, exchanging gifts and sharing happiness throughout the season. It was a special time when everyone came together, creating cherished memories filled with laughter and the warmth of holiday traditions. Origin of the Christmas tree. Long ago, during ancient times, Christmas had a different story to tell. It was a time when people, following various traditions, celebrated the winter solstice by decorating their homes with greenery. The green symbolized hope for prosperity and the promise of spring. Among these Christmas Day decorations, the evergreen fir trees held a special place, believed to possess unique powers. Romans, during their festive Saturnalia, adopted this tradition, adorning their homes with fire trees decked in ornaments. The Greeks, too, seemed to have a similar custom, decorating trees in honor of their gods. It's a tale that connects diverse cultures through shared festive practices. To see more videos, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.